Say hi.
Right now?
Tomorrow.
Okay.
One,
should say hi.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Hi! My name is Ferry.
My name is Gozali.
My name is Weni.
My name is Gina.
Hi, my name is Wika.
My name is Eka.
My name is Ade.
My name is Yogi.
My name is Resti.
My name is Nabila.
Well, my name is Geraldo Marcelino.
And my name is Abdul Aziz.
My name is Dina.
I'm Paulina. Hello, my name is Krishna.
My name is Sukrishna, call Krishna only.
My name is Harry. And then you?
My name is Coco and I am the strongest person in
Of course, you are.
Yes. Okay.
Tell me.
It's very difficult.
But it's for me, it's not.
We think it's easy, yeah?
Easy.
It's quite easy to learn English.
For me, it's not really difficult. How about you?
For me, it's difficult.
Yes.
Yes. How about you?
Yes.
A little bit in the beginning, but now it's more easier for me to learn English.
Now,
How about you?
So difficult.
For me, not really.
It's easy lah. I've been learning since elementary school.
For me, it's quite difficult to learn English.
Yes, difficult for me.
For me, yes.
For me, no.
No.
Well, I have these hobbies like watching movie or play some video games. And in the games, you have to learn some English because they don't use any Indonesian language. So they only use English. So either I like it or not, I have to learn English to understand what's going on in that games.
What about you?
I'm so very difficult because I cannot to translate with grammars when I making letters, newsletters, and making messages, and I will to how do I can to making right grammars.
Because we can learn from movies, learning songs, and what else?
We can learn it from everywhere. We can talk with our friends with English or have a friend from other country and talk with them.
Yeah, even chatting with them.
For me, because my circle usually use English in my daily activities.
And my reason because difficult sometimes my environment, lingkungan doesn't support me.
So you join Connect then?
Yes, I join Connect.
Yeah.
Sometimes the most difficult in learn English is when you talk with foreign people, they speak too fast.
Okay.
For me, why is it difficult? Because the environment itself, we don't have that English environment here, so we need to be like contaminated by the language. So when there is no someone to talk in English, it is hard to practice English. So yeah.
First, because I'm a shy person, so when at the first time I want to learn English, especially in a conversation or speak in English, is make me like something a block in my mind. So it's difficult to say something in English. But now it's more easier for me.
Okay.
How about you?
How about you?
Because so many grammar and make me dizzy.
And vocabulary also?
Yes. So difficult.
So difficult. And Paulina?
I think learning English for me it's not too difficult, but I can't say that it's easy either because of the grammar, the tenses.
Because of listening, vocabulary, and also for speaking.
I think because I don't have many partners to speak English with in daily life, and another reason is I think because people here tend to mock others who try to speak English.
Because I have a background is not English, and then I learn English by myself, and I don't have a partner to practice my English. That's all.
Basically, I think that this is easier because we have so many sources that we can use, that you can, allow yourself to explore your capability in English. So for me, you have internet, movies, games. So for me it's really easy.
I learned that if I watch some movie, and if the movie have like a subtitles options, I will choose the English subtitle instead of Indonesians, because in school I learn the basics like a past tense, simple present tense sometimes. But if you want to learn how Americans, how the foreigners talk, and their budaya, you should watch their movies with the English subtitle. It's help, really.
And about me, to try to learn English with reading a books, and then I'm always to conversation with my friends, with my family, and with my community in my campus, or then in my working days.
For me, like this, I get into in English community in Connect.
For me, I start to learn English since I was in elementary school, and I joined a course. So after that, I joined Connect.
Listening to music and find a difficult word in the lyric of music.
What I have tried is join like this community, so it's very helpful. Like we have that environment that I talked about, so we have friends to learn English together. So we are learning by practicing.
Reading books, novels, something like that, and then watching a movie that I like, and then listening song, and sometimes try to sing a song to practice my pronunciation. But I still need a friend that can help me to make me more comfortable and enjoy when speak English also. That's why I joined the Connect. How about you?
I'm like listening music and watching a movie, and sometimes I'm reading quotes in Instagram.
Oh, okay.
For me, so many ways to learn English. One of the ways is to learn this book, all of this book, and then you can find other ways to learn English and many ways to learn that.
My teacher taught me that when you want to learn something, you have to set a goal for it. Just like, for what reason you want to learn about something. Like me, I want to have a friend from other country, maybe a girlfriend or maybe a wife. Bule.
Do you have a relationship with Bule?
Nah, but I really hope I will have someday.
I started learning English when I was in middle school, and besides learning at the classroom, I like to learn English from songs and watch a lot of TV shows and movies, and I think that's how I made learning English fun.
Yeah, bagus.
She said she learned English from songs too. Like, who is your favorite singer? Yeah.
Bruno Mars, Justin Bieber.
So you learn from that?
Yeah.
From their songs.
Yes.
I effort my English speaking at the office and the vessel, and also to join this Connect.
Since I like to read books, I read English books and I watch series in English. And to have partners to speak English, I joined Connect.
And then I learn from YouTube, and then I learn from some sources.
What is your best YouTube channel so far?
My best YouTube channel, Connect Global English Gateway.
Thank you for the participation.
You're welcome. Tell them what's your quotes.
Learning English start from zero to hero.
Oh, that's good. Okay, for me, if you want achieve something, you just shouldn't count anyone to help you, but you have to count yourself because only yourself can help you.
Knowledge is not in cage, but it is everywhere. Failures are your best teacher. Learn from them.
Never give up. Try and try again.
My quote is like learning English like playing drama. At first you pretend that you want to learn English and then you learn and then you try and then finally you will get that English. You achieve your goal to learn English.
Wow, that's good.
So simple, never give up, try and try.
And me is if you never try, you will never know how to handle the problem and something like that.
Learn their language so you will never fooled by them, and then happiness is only real when shared, just like that.
And about you?
The willingness of learning is a choice. If you want to learn something, you have to do it. Never give up. You will make it eventually and somehow. And remember, don't you ever give up. If you want to, looking for a bully girlfriend or maybe a wife, I'll keep trying.
Hopefully you will get.
You brother.
English is my passion, and don't be afraid to make mistakes because you learn from your mistakes, and that's how you get fluent, you get smarter. Yeah, I think that's the quote.
Just do it. Yeah, just do it. Just do it. Just learn. Just join the community. Is it too late for you to learn English?
Never late.
Yeah, I think so.
I managed it because I could do it. I managed it because I should do it. It's from Geralt Rivia games The Witcher.
Oh, okay. You have
English is a gateway to open the world.
Oh,
That's pretty much a noble one, I think.
yeah, that's quite good. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And if you want to see more great videos like this, make sure you click the notification bell. See you next time.
Bye.